Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. Friends, Tecno has launched two latest smartphones of its Phantom series. Tecno Phantom X2 and Tecno Phantom X2 Pro on September 7, 2022. In this video, we will discuss the design, features, or price of Tecno Phantom X2 Pro in detail. Which is first high-end smartphone from Tecno? Let's start this video. If we talk about its design, on its right side, you can see power button and the volume keys are given on the top of power button. On bottom USB Type-C port, microphone, stereo speakers, and dual SIM tray are given. And microphone can also be seen on the top. It has under-display fingerprint sensor. Its back cover is made of recycled plastic, which is collected for motion. It comes with triple camera setup with 3D design. If we see overall design, then this phone is designed very well. If we look at the dimensions, then the height is 164.6 millimeters, width 72.7 millimeters, and thickness 9 millimeters. The screen-to-body ratio is 93.3%, and its weight is 210 grams. If we talk about body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass Victus is given on the front, which is durable glass and protect the phone screen from scratches. The back cover of the phone is made of plastic and the frame is made of aluminum. Its build quality is much better. After that, we talk about display. It comes with Full HD plus AMOLED or curved display of 6.8 inches. Peak brightness of 500 nits is given, which is a low brightness and it may be difficult to see content in bright sunlight. It gets 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a good refresh rate. Its screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 387 ppi density can be seen, which is a good ppi density. If we talk about the operating system of Tecno Phantom X2 Pro, then it runs on Android 12 OS, but Android 13 is latest version. And the layer of iOS 12 is used on it, which is a better user interface. Let's talk about chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 9004 nanometers is used, which is flagship level chipset. It provides better graphics and fast speed for different games like PUBG or Free Fire, etc. The total benchmark score of Tecno Phantom X2 Pro is 9,61,576. And in the CPU octa-core, we get to see one CPU of 3.5 GHz and three CPUs of 2.85 GHz, for CPUs of 1.8 GHz, which is good for multiple tasking. It has Mali G710MC10 GPU, which displays great graphics. If we talk about cameras, there is a 50 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.9. It also comes with PDAF feature, which is especially good for photography. But image optical stabilization support is not given. And you can get good pictures even in mid-light through the large sensor of 1 by 1.3 inches. Second is a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, in which an aperture of f1.5 has been given. You can take pictures of small objects from it. It has 13 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture. You can record 4K video from the main camera. You can get detail-oriented or clear photos and video clips from this video. And this is a good feature for vloggers. It has a central punch hole camera of 32 megapixels with aperture of f2.5 for selfies, which provides good and detailed selfies. If we talk about memory, Tecno Phantom X2 Pro has LPDDR5X 4GB and 12GB dynamic RAM. It comes with three variants. First variant 4GB plus 64GB and second variant 4GB plus 128GB and third variant 12GB plus 256GB, in which the storage type of UFS 3.1 is given. If we talk about sound quality, it is good quality stereo speakers, but headphone jack is not given. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5th generation network technology, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C port and dual SIM card is also given. If we look at the battery department, it has a massive or non-removable 5160 mAh battery. It is enough for daily usage. And 45-watt charger is also given, which can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 60 minutes. It is available in 2 colors: Stardust Gray, Mars Orange. After seeing the features or specification of Tecno Phantom X2 Pro, if we talk about its price, then its expected price is: first variant, $420, 570 Canadian dollars, €390, 35,000 Indian rupees, 95,000 Pakistani rupees, 43,000 Bangladeshi taka. Second variant, $520, 700 Canadian dollars, €490, 43,000 Indian rupees, 1,10,000 Pakistani rupees, 54,000 Bangladeshi taka. Third variants, $930, 1,260 Canadian dollars, €880, 77,000 Indian rupees, 2,10,000 Pakistani rupees, 97,000 Bangladeshi taka. So guys, what you think about Tecno Phantom X2 Pro and which feature you like most? Tell me in comment section. Friends, to see such informative videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye and take care.